Hey Aussies! Winter mornings got you feeling sluggish? Need a quick, warm and delicious boost to kickstart your weekend? Well, say goodbye to chilly starts and hello to our 5-minute winter fuel breakfast bowl. It's packed with goodness and super easy to make. First, grab your favorite oats. We're using rolled oats for that perfect texture. Now, in a microwave-safe bowl or a small saucepan, combine half a cup of oats with 1 cup of milk dairy or plant-based, your choice. Add a pinch of cinnamon for warmth and a teaspoon of maple syrup or honey for a touch of natural sweetness. Microwave on high for 90 seconds to 2 minutes, or gently heat on the stovetop, stirring occasionally until it's creamy and warm. Watch it though, we don't want any breakfast explosions. And now for the fun part, the toppings. This is where you can get creative. Think vibrant berries for antioxidants, a sprinkle of nuts or seeds for that satisfying crunch and healthy fats, maybe a dollop of Greek yogurt for extra protein. Today we're adding blueberries, chia seeds and a few slivered almonds. Look at that! A beautifully warm, nutritious and utterly delicious breakfast ready in under 5 minutes. It's the perfect way to fuel your body and soul on a cold day. So easy to customize with what you have in your pantry too. This bowl isn't just tasty, it's a powerhouse of nutrients to keep you going. Try this recipe and track its goodness in a Rada app, link in bio. What are your favorite warm breakfast toppings? Let us know in the comments.